recognizable by their long straight horns that can reach up to 33 inches long, also known as the King of Kalahari Desert, as they can survive without drinking water even for a week, a month, or for a year, as they get all the moisture from the plants they consume or they eat. So if you are familiar sa series na Peppa Pig, that one is the real Madame Gazelle sa Peppa Pig series. Also the logo of Qatar Airways and the national animal of Qatar. So next also have here the zebra or the plain zebra, the highlight of our African savanna. So zebras, they have black skin and white stripes, and these stripes are unique just like our fingerprints because there's no two zebras having the same patterns or stripes. So for the zebras, when they're not traveling or eating, they spend their time sleeping. In fact, they can sleep while standing up with one eye open. So they leave one eye open for them to be alerted to any danger or any predators coming on their way. Also, they're related to horses and also donkeys. So next, also there's a liquid dark brown colored antelopes with long horn also. They are recognizable by the white marks sa kanilang faces, and they are called blaspak. So both males and females have ring horns, with females having slightly slimmer ones. And that white marks on their faces serve as a built-in sunscreen for their face. And those are various stone colors with also horns. Those are the blue wildebeest. They have blue shin coats and black names, also known as the clown of the savannah, as they will perform unusual dance move to attract females during mating season. So if you're familiar sa movie Lion King, those are the same species who accidentally killed King Mufasa during the stampede scene.
Kaya pala nila
Those are wildebeest. And also if you're familiar sa Great Migration in South Africa, those are wildebeest also. Yeah, baby zebra only 3 months old pa lang. So dito na pinanganak sa Cebu Safari. Okay, so once again, the gems back, less back, plain zebras, and the blue wildebeest.
Okay, bye-bye.
So let's now move to our large